Okie dokie. In this problem, they ask us to find the arithmetic and the geometric means of the following list of numbers. Arithmetic mean is pretty much the average calculation that we are used to, that you've probably used before, where we will add up all of these values and then divide by the number of values that there are. So 15 plus 5 plus 8 plus 9, and we're dividing that by the number of values that there are, which is 4. Now the geometric mean, a little bit different. You might not be used to it or might not have used it before. What we're going to do is multiply. So instead of adding all the numbers, we're going to multiply all the numbers together. So 15 times 5 times 8 times 9. And now we are going to take a root of all these numbers. Now we are going to take the nth root depending on n, which is the number of values that there are. So if there were 3 values in this set, we would take the cube root. But in this case, there are 4 values in our set. 4 values means we want to take the 4th root of this product here. So let's break out Desmos. Desmos is a very useful tool. If you can use Desmos, I recommend it. Here we're going to calculate the arithmetic mean, which I've already done for us. Up top here we get 9.25. And I'll demonstrate how to find the 4th root of all this mess here. So in Desmos, there's a nice function, nth root, right here. And you get to put the nth value, the n value, the 4, in the root place. And then we just multiply 15 times 5 times 8 times 9. And we get about 8.57. Now, let's say you don't have Desmos and you don't have a 4th root button. How else could you do this? Well, 4th root is equivalent to raising something to the 1/4 power. So if you have at least an exponent button, say we multiply all the inside stuff, and then we raise it to some power, we can raise it to the power of 1/4. So in parentheses, if we do 1 divided by 4, that's the same thing as taking the 4th root of all that stuff as well. Notice we get the same answer, 8.57. Hope that makes sense. Let's identify our answer. We get 9.25 and 8.57. It looks like option D. And we are done. That's all there is to it. Let's do one more. Find the arithmetic mean and geometric means of these numbers. So 7 plus 11 plus 9 divided by 3. That will give us the arithmetic mean, our typical average, whatever. So we get, was that 7 plus 11 is 18 plus 9, which is 27 divided by 3. That's a nice 9. Now geometric mean, we're again multiplying all these numbers. So 7 times 11 times 9, and we are taking the root, and it's the nth root corresponding to n, which is the number of values in the set here, the list. So there are 3 numbers, so we are taking the cube root of all those values. So let's go back. I think we had, what do we have, 7 times 9 times 11? 7 times 11 times 9, same deal. And we can raise that to the 1/3 power in order to take the cube root. Again, you can take the cube root using this, or you can raise it to the power of 1/3. Both are doing the same thing. So 8.85 is our answer. So we're looking for 9 and 8.85. It looks like option D for this one. Hope that makes sense. If you have any questions or if you get any other weird examples that I did not cover, feel free to, send them my way. All right.